Welcome to day 19 of my 60-day bulking phase challenge. This is a two-part video. I'll post the second part as I'm starting on my pre-bodybuilding sessions, where I used to do this as a warm-up session, then do my real session after this. So as you're aware of my injury, I am able to walk a little bit without pain, but my strength is really gaining now, and I'm just gaining a little bit of confidence. As you are aware that I've been losing weight as well, and now a little bit, and I'm managing to have lost something like 1 kg of body fat. I will also show you how my main workout worked out on my second video, and this is the part A. I'll show you how the day progressed on my part B video. And also please subscribe, drop a comment below as I continue this bulking session and my bodybuilding journey. I'll be sharing every moment with you. Thank you for watching.